this video. So what we've done is we've installed a camera system, and you'll see here that's the network video recorder. We've installed 3 PowerPoint 3 doubles. We've got our nice billion router just there. We've got our Wi-Fi access point upstairs, and just let you see that basically there's a camera up in that corner there, and there's cameras around the place. So we've installed all this conduit that comes up through here, comes along there, goes out. We've got one going up there to our Wi-Fi access point. We've got 2 cameras out the front here, one in the driveway. So this is the box that we've put all the equipment into. We've done a nice neat job. And just give you a look behind there, everything is cable tied, neat, tidy. Put that back. I'll pop the lid back on here. Okay, so just to give you a look, the lid is on here, and there's just a bracket there that holds it up, and I will close it up, and that is it. We've got a nice padlock on here, which is a combination padlock made by Abus. And that is the job completed, and that's how it looks and should look. So if you're getting a security system put in, you should be expecting this level of neatness. And in this video I might just go around and show you the other cameras. So coming outside here, they have a problem with people parking in this driveway here, and we put a camera up there. You can actually, it's getting a bit dark, but you can see the infrared illumination. And we come along here to the street, and what we've done is these are high definition IP cameras, so it's extremely crystal clear. And here we can see there's a camera there and one back to back, so that's going to get this walkway here. And then we've got another camera up here which is looking at this area just here. And coming along here we have a Wi-Fi access point, which is just there. Can't see very well. And we've also installed another camera in the bin room over there. And that is it. That is job done, job complete. Thanks for watching.